What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Technoboy, and today I'm going to test the sound of the two speakers. You can see F&D right there. That's the right channel and that's the left channel, and the subwoofer is right there under the table, and that one, that's the Logitech, the left channel, and they're the right channel, and that's the control pod of that thing. So they both are 2.1 home theater with a small kind of enclosure. The main unit I'm gonna show you right now, but the channels of the Logitech, they are big, as you can see right there, but the F&D, they are very small and plastic ones, so they are made out of MDF wood. There will be difference in the sound quality, of course, because F&D has very low power and the Logitech is kind of high power comparing to the F&D, because Logitech has a 40 watt, and that thing, the F&D, that has what do you say, 20 or 30 watt, 20 watt maybe, something like that. I don't remember. But the F&D, their sounds are kind of more highs. So let's check the sounds. Before that, let me show you the main units. That's the main unit of F&D. You can see F203G. That's the main unit, the subwoofer. And at the bottom, that's the Logitech. The speaker is on the right side, and on the left side, the control panel is there, and only air pipe is on this side. So the both are right under the table at the same place. So now the F&D is on. So I'm gonna put my camera right here, so you can see both home theaters channels are right there, and the control pod is there. Well, I'm gonna play songs one by one, 3 or 4 songs, and gonna check how this sounds.
Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. But my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I never really know if I should stay or be alone. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I never really know if I should stay or be alone. Counting up your sins, I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. Who can bury me? You never know. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on the side. Wanna leave you with the shadow. Counting up your sins, I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. Who can bury me? You never know. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on the side. you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget, I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. I got goals, you wanna know. I got goals, you don't wanna grow. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. One step from dying. My angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my